Let's make halo halo. Halo halo is a popular Filipino dessert. It has layers of different ingredients from beans to jellies. It's mixed with condensed milk and shaved ice. And it's topped with other sweet treats like leche flan and ice cream. It's such a refreshing dessert, especially on hot summer days. Here are the ingredients we'll need. If you're lucky, you may be able to find these ingredients in jars at your Asian grocery store. They're usually a Filipino brand, and you can see that it's made in the Philippines. And some of them already have all of the ingredients you'll need in one container. If you can't find these ingredients at your Asian grocery store, you might want to look online. Making halo halo is so easy. All you have to do is layer up all the ingredients that you want in it. Honestly, the hardest part is just finding all of the ingredients. First, I'm going to start with my coconut jellies. They come in many different colors. Usually they're white, but these are red. I've also seen them in green. These were my favorite part as a kid. I'm just putting a couple scoops so that I have enough room for the other ingredients, but again, you can add as much as you want. Next, I'm going to add some beans. This might sound a little interesting to you to have beans in a dessert, but it really goes well with it. These are purple beans, or black beans, I guess. And then some yellow or white beans. Again, I just added a couple scoops of each. Next, I have some green palm nuts in sugar. These again can come in many different colors. I've seen them in white and red. These happen to be green. And it's just whatever food dye that they used. Next are coconut strings. In Tagalog, it's makapuno. And they are just stringy pieces of coconut. Literally, makapuno means a filler. So these are like a filler ingredient. I also have some jackfruit. These were just from a can. So this is what it looks like so far. You can see all of the different colors and ingredients. Sometimes I like to add ube jam or ube halaya. Just a small scoop. So these are all the ingredients that I have. And I only want to fill it up halfway so that there's enough room for all the ice that I want to add. Now I'm just going to shave some ice. Okay, I just wanted to show you these last couple ingredients up close. You can see I have some ice in here. I want to add just a little bit more because you'll see when we add the evaporated milk, the ice will go down. We can even add more at the end. So on top of that, let's add a piece of leche flan, which by the way, if you would like to watch the recipe on how to make leche flan, it's right here. And then on this side, I'm going to add a scoop of ube ice cream. Then we're going to pour some condensed milk on top. If you like it a little bit milkier, add more. If you want it icier, add less. And there's our halo halo. So literally in Tagalog, halo means mix. So halo halo means mix mix. To eat halo halo, you have to mix it up first. I usually just go up and down to get the ice incorporated. And then I go all around and I pick up all the ingredients from the bottom, again, just to get everything mixed together. The ube ice cream makes it a nice purple color and you can see all of the ingredients in there. Let's give it a taste. Look at this big bite. It has everything in it. Here are some fun facts about halo halo. It originated from the Japanese culture. In Japan, there's a popular dessert made with shaved ice, flavored syrup, and condensed milk. One difference between the Filipino version and the original Japanese dessert is that the Japanese version has the ice at the bottom of the cup, whereas the Filipino version has the ice on the top. Spanish versions of halo halo have sweet corn and banana, And other Filipino versions of halo halo incorporate ingredients like sweet potato, tapioca pearls, and fresh fruits such as watermelon and durian. Nowadays, halo halo is served all around the Philippines, from fast food restaurants to high-end dining locations, and even in neighborhoods by street food vendors. Halo halo is undoubtedly considered to be an iconic Filipino dessert. So each bite is different depending on what ingredient you get. Generally, it's very sweet because of all the ice cream in there and the syrup that everything is stored in. When you eat the coconut jellies, it's just like a nice little pop of sweetness. And the beans add a nice little softness to it as well. And the evaporated milk that we added makes it nice and milky and sweet. Do you drink as you go? I do sometimes. Again, the great thing about halo halo is you can add anything you want in it. Some people like to top it off with pinipig or like some crunchy Rice Krispies. Some people add banana if they have it. And if you don't like any of the ingredients, then just don't add it. You can see why halo halo is so popular in the Philippines, where it can get really hot. The ice and the ice cream are just so refreshing. Whenever I go to the Philippines and I see halo halo on a menu, I always order it because the ingredients are always so fresh. So have you had halo halo before? What's your favorite part of it? Tell me in the comments. Paalam!